The potato omelette, or tortilla de patatas, is the Spanish dish that everyone loves. It is easy to make and adapts to all situations: a meal, a picnic, a breakfast, an appetizer. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by peeling the potatoes. Then cut them into slices 3 to 5 millimeters thick. In a pan, heat 1 centimeter of olive oil over medium-low heat. When the oil is hot, put the potatoes in it for 5 minutes. Over medium-low heat, they will cook and become tender without browning. Stir from time to time. Mince an onion. After 5 minutes of cooking, add the onion and continue to cook for 15 minutes, still over medium-low heat. Occasionally stir. The fire shouldn't be too low, they will crush, nor too high, they will become too golden. Meanwhile, we prepare the omelette in a mixing bowl. Break the eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. The potatoes have cooked for 20 minutes. Drain them. Keep the remaining oil for other preparations. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix. Let cool for 5 minutes. Pour the potatoes into the eggs. Mix. For a thicker tortilla, use a smaller and deeper pan. Over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil from the previous cooking. When it's hot, put the preparation. Spread it and cook for 3 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat. Place a larger plate on it. With oven mitts, flip the pan without hesitation. Be very careful and ask an adult to do it. Slide the omelette back into the pan to cook it on the other side, still over medium heat. 2 minutes are enough for a delicious slightly runny omelette, and 3 to 4 minutes to fully cook. To take it out of the pan, turn it over again. Cut nice slices as it were pie. Enjoy the tortilla de patatas. Bon appétit! This potato omelette is a delicious dish that no one can get enough of. Someone will like to spice it up with ketchup. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.